Welcome to 5-Minute Health Tips. In today's video, you will learn top 5 ways to detox and cleanse your lungs with body movements. This video is for educational purposes only and does not replace a medical professional's advice. It is possible for a person to cleanse their lungs and improve lung health. After lung pollutant exposure, a person's chest may feel full, congested, or inflamed. Mucus gathers in the lungs to catch microbes and pathogens, which can contribute to a feeling of heaviness. Some of these methods may also open up the airways, improve lung capacity, and reduce inflammation, which can further help reduce the effects of lung pollutants. Here are top 5 ways to cleanse your lungs naturally. Number 1. Steam therapy. Steam therapy, or steam inhalation, involves inhaling water vapor to open the airways and may also help to loosen mucus. Conversely, steam adds warmth and moisture to the air, which may improve breathing and help loosen mucus inside the airways and lungs. Inhaling water vapor can provide immediate relief and help people breathe more easily. Some evidence notes that steam inhalation can be helpful for soothing a sore throat, loosening thick mucus, and provide benefit after being in an environment with pollutants. Number 2. Controlled coughing. Coughing is the body's way of naturally expelling toxins that it has trapped in mucus. Controlled coughing loosens excess mucus in the lungs, sending it up through the airways. Doctors may recommend that people with lung conditions, such as chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, perform this exercise to help clear their lungs. People can cleanse their lungs of excess mucus by sitting down on a chair with the shoulders relaxed, keeping both feet flat on the floor, folding the arms over the stomach, slowly inhaling through the nose, slowly exhaling while leaning forward, pushing the arms against the stomach, coughing 2 or 3 times while exhaling, keeping the mouth slightly open, slowly inhaling through the nose, resting and repeating as necessary. Number 3. Draining mucus from the lungs. Postural drainage involves lying in different positions to use gravity to remove mucus from the lungs. This practice may improve breathing and help treat or prevent lung infections. Postural drainage techniques differ depending on the position. Number 1. On your back position. Lie down on the floor or on a bed. Place pillows under the hips to ensure that the chest is lower than the hips. Slowly inhale through the nose and exhale through the mouth. Each exhale should take twice as long as the inhale, which is called 1-2 breathing. Continue for a few minutes. Number 2. On your side position. Lie on one side, resting the head on an arm or pillow. Place pillows under the hips. Practice the 1-2 breathing pattern. Continue for a few minutes. Repeat on the other side. Number 3. On your stomach position. Place a stack of pillows on the floor. Lie down with the stomach over the pillows. Remember to keep the hips above the chest. Fold the arms under the head for support. Practice the 1-2 breathing pattern. Continue for a few minutes. Number 4. Exercise. Exercise forces the muscles to work harder, which increases the body's breathing rate, resulting in a greater supply of oxygen to the muscles. It also improves circulation, making the body more efficient in removing the excess carbon dioxide that the body produces when exercising. The body will start to adapt to meet the demands of regular exercise. The muscles will learn to use oxygen more efficiently and produce less carbon dioxide. Although exercising may be more difficult for people with chronic lung conditions, these individuals can also benefit from regular exercise. It is advisable for people with conditions such as asthma to consult a healthcare professional before starting a new exercise regimen. Number 5. Chest percussion. Percussion is another method to help remove excess mucus from the lungs. A healthcare professional or respiratory therapist will use a cupped hand to rhythmically tap the chest wall to dislodge trapped mucus in the lungs. Combining chest percussion and postural drainage can help clear the airways of excess mucus. People who have damaged lungs may have a harder time than others clearing mucus from their system. Chronic conditions, such as asthma and cystic fibrosis, cause excess mucus production or unusually thick mucus that can clog the lungs. Lung cleansing techniques, including postural drainage, chest percussion, and breathing exercises, can help dislodge mucus from the lungs and airways. Steam therapy may offer temporary relief to people who suffer from congestion or chronic respiratory conditions. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and hit the bell for us, so you'll get notifications for our future uploads. All the best from the 5-Minute Health Tips team.